Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Rudy here with your yard service, and today it's kind of like a mishmash of vlog and work style, kind of like come along kind of style. You know what it is. So we have to pick up a replacement brace for our snow shovel. Yeah, it is end of August. We are talking snow already. Well, as you can see, it's not really snow on the ground yet. But as we know it, winter is approaching and you gotta be ready, even though it is kind of nice outside. So we're gonna head into town, pick up a replacement brace, because I'm gonna show you what happened. So we have here the awesome snow plow snow shovel, but that brace tends to get abused and breaks, so this is going to be the replacement part here. As you can see, that basically goes on like that somehow. So this is all broken and we can replace it. As you can see, it gets just has some nuts and goes right through there. So we're gonna pick up a few of those extra braces, so we are never short on snow shovels again. Yeah, anyways, so then after that I'm going to take along for a little trimming job, like shrubs and small bushes and style. Gonna slap it on that truck there, on the beauty. She's still running, and then we're gonna haul it off, and that's our little quick trip of the day. It is a Monday afternoon already. Had to do some office stuff, some admin stuff, and now we're heading into town. All right, stop number one completed. Just picked up the actually two of those braces that go on the snow shovel at the lawnmower hospital here in Edmonton. If you need anything, they will help you out and get you all running again. So next stop up is the trimming of brushes and shrubs. Okay, we are on location. So this is the property where we're gonna take care of some trimming and pruning. We got a beautiful lilac here. It's somewhat taking off some of the driveway access here on the side and on the sidewalk here. So we're gonna trim off some branches, and we have some other shrubs and plants to do. So we're gonna take you along and show you how we do it. Okay, next guy is a tree, I shall say, that's called hawthorn. And thorns it has. Look at those guys. Very long. Don't poke that into your eye or anywhere into your body. Could hurt. So we're gonna take off some low-hanging branches as we maintain the lawn here as well to make it a little bit easier to get around this tree. Alright guys, let's go into the backyard, shall we? Now we're going into the backyard, and as you can see, like there's some branches blocking the proper access here. So we're gonna trim that off, make it kind of like looking nice again, and kind of like clean it up a little bit. So you can see all those little tanks. That's from our walkthrough with the client, so we know what's happening. They know what's happening. So we're gonna clean up pretty much a lot of overhanging, low-hanging branches on that side here, because it makes it easier for lawn mowing here. The back remains kind of like wildish because that's part city property, so the client is not really too concerned about spending money there. We are taking care of those two bigger or small bushes over there, those lilac bushes right by the shed. Gonna take that guy, give it a second chance over there, and also take some branches of this guy here. And that's it then. So let's hang in there and get to work. Gonna put you in a different location here, so you don't see all my butt all the time. Okay guys, I'll be back shortly. Gonna take this to to the truck, empty that tarp out, and then we have more to do. It turns out I forgot the hedge trimmer for those two guys here in the background, so we will do that when we return for the regular lawn maintenance day later this week. So we're gonna do that. Those two shrubs or bushes here, left and right. Final plant for today. We're gonna move over to this big sucker there in the corner and take off some low-hanging branches. Let's do this. A few more branches on this guy. There you go. Just a very gentle trim here on this tree, just the low-hanging branches, so we can clear it with a lawnmower. And gotta come back for those guys when we do the lawn. There's two shrubs in the background, and then that's it. So there you have it. This is the load we took off, and now we're gonna dispose it. Thanks for watching. This is Rudy here with Euro Yard Service.